While the world is losing billions from the Iran war, Karachi port just handled it 24 days what normally takes a full year. Pakistan is quietly becoming the world's new trade highway. Here is how. There is something happening at Karachi port right now that most people have not noticed because everyone just focused on the bombs and missiles. But I want to tell you about it because it could genuinely change Pakistan's economic future. The Iran war has essentially closed the Arabian Gulf as a safe shipping corridor. The disruption of shipping routes in Arabian Gulf has forced global shipping companies to look for safer and more efficient alternative. And Pakistan is right at the top of the list. Here is the number that tells the whole story. Karachi port recorded a major increase in transshipment within just 24 days, matching levels typically seen over an entire year. Around 8,313 containers were handled in this short period compared to approximately 8,300 containers handled in the whole of 2025. This is a full year of business compressed into less than a month. South Asia Pakistan terminal handled 5,286 containers. Hakon port proceed 1,826. Karachi Gateway Terminal managed around 1,200 containers. The government has moved fast to look in this opportunity. Pakistan's Maritime Affairs Minister announced a new incentive structure giving vessels carrying dry bulk export cargo a 60% concession on port dues, wharfage and storage charges. These base discount for vessels have been raised from 5% to 20%, with further incentives for every additional increase in transshipment volumes. The minimum transshipment cargo requirement has also been reduced to make it easier for shipping lines to qualify. Experts believe that even after this conflict ends, Pakistan's growing reputation as a reliable trade hub will continue to deliver long-term benefits. The role of CPEC infrastructure, modern port facilities, and strategic geographic connectivity means Pakistan will positioned to hold onto these routes permanently if it plays this correctly. The war created the window. Pakistan now needs to make sure it does not close when the shooting stops. This is Pakistan Connect, reporting from Karachi, Faisal Rahman.